In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add auto captions in CapCut. Captions are an essential part of making your videos accessible, engaging, and professional. Whether you're looking to reach a broader audience, improve viewer retention, or simply make your content stand out, adding captions can be a game changer. The best part? With CapCut, you can generate captions automatically using its built-in AI features, saving you loads of time compared to typing them out manually. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. This tutorial will walk you through every step of the process. And if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can find a link in the description to get started. Now let's dive in. To begin, the first step is to import your video or audio file directly into the CapCut timeline. This ensures that the correct file is loaded before you move forward. Simply drag and drop your file into the timeline area or use the import button to bring it in. Once your file is in place, you're ready to start working on your captions. Next, look for the text button located on the main toolbar. This is where all the captioning tools are housed. Click on it, and you'll see several options appear. Among them, select the Auto Captions feature. This is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to analyze your audio and automatically generate captions for you. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're used to manually typing out captions for your videos. Once you've selected Auto Captions, you'll need to choose the spoken language that matches your audio. This step is critical because it ensures that the captions align accurately with the words being spoken in your video. You'll see a drop-down menu with a variety of language options. Just pick the one that fits your content. Keep in mind that selecting the wrong language can lead to captions that are either incorrect or completely nonsensical. If your video includes multiple languages, you have the option to use CapCut's bilingual caption feature. This allows the tool to recognize and generate captions for 2 languages simultaneously, which is incredibly helpful for multilingual content. Now, if you're a pro user, there's an additional feature you might want to consider. CapCut allows you to automatically remove filler words like or like from the captions. This can help create cleaner, more polished captions that enhance the overall professionalism of your video. However, if you prefer an exact transcript of the audio, you can leave this option turned off. The choice is yours, depending on your needs. When you're ready, go ahead and click the Generate button to start creating your captions. Depending on the length of your audio, this process may take a little time. So be patient as the tool works its magic. Once the captions are generated, you'll notice that text layers appear above your video in the timeline. These layers represent the captions that have been automatically synced to your audio. At this stage, it's important to review the generated captions carefully. Play through your video and check the text layers for accuracy. This step allows you to verify that the captions match the spoken content and make any necessary adjustments. If you notice any errors or timing issues, simply click on the caption text to edit it. You can fix mistakes, adjust the timing of specific captions, or even tweak the phrasing to better reflect your style. Once your captions are accurate, you can move on to customizing their visual appearance. CapCut offers a range of options to help you style your captions in a way that complements your video. You can change the text color, add outlines, apply animations, or experiment with different fonts and shadow effects. This is your chance to get creative and make your captions visually appealing while ensuring they remain easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully added auto captions to your video in CapCut. With this process, you've not only saved time, but also improved the accessibility and overall quality of your content. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.